to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you about perimeter and today I will teach you about area. That means our today's topic is area. So what is area? In geometry, the area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of the object. That means area is basically the space covered by the shapes, covered by this shape. Suppose this one is a triangle and is covered as some space, that is called the area. That is called the area. Area is measured in square units. Area is measured in square units. That means such as square meter, square centimeter, square feet and square inches, etc. So next question arises here. How do we find area? How do we find area? Students, it's very easy. To find the area of rectangle, multiply its height and width. See here, suppose this one is the rectangle. This shape is the rectangle, and here this is 5 centimeter and this one is the 2 centimeter. Okay. Means here length is 5 centimeter, width is the 2 centimeter. So to find this area of this rectangle, what we have to do? We have to multiply its length and width together. Means here area, that means 2 centimeter multiply 5 centimeter. That means here length, area of rectangle is length multiply width. 2 centimeter multiply 5 centimeter, that is the 10 and 5 2s are 10 and this one is the centimeter square, because I told you it is the square unit. Area is measured in square units. Okay. And to find the square, for square you only need to find the length of one side. In place of rectangle, if it will be a square, if it will be the square, that times square means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So this one is a suppose 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. That times area of the square, area of the square, that is equal to side into side or side square. That means side into side. 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter, that is 4 centimeter square. So in area of the, for finding the area of the rectangle, we have to multiply length into width, and for finding the area of the square, we have to multiply side into side. Children, one more question arises here. When we find the area, when we find the area. So see here, one example I will show you. See, suppose this one is a one wall and its shape is rectangle shape. And you have to paint this wall. You want to paint this wall of your new home. That times you need to know the area to calculate the quantity of paints required and cost for the same. So here what you have to do, this one is a shape, this shape is a rectangle shape. Use the formula of rectangle, area of rectangle, that is length into width. What is the length here? 3 centimeter. This multiply 2 centimeter, 6 centimeter square. So these are the way. And one more example, if you want to if you suppose you want to fix tiles in your home, you need to know the area of the floor to know the number of tiles required to cover the whole floor. That times also you have to find the area. So here final formulas of rectangle and area of rectangle, right? Formulas. First one, area of rectangle. We use two formula here. Area of rectangle, that is length into width. And second one is the area of square, that is side into side, or you can write side square. These are the two formula we use for finding the area. Students, one question I am taking from your book. See here. Question is here. Find the area of rectangle whose length. Find the area of rectangle whose length is given here 8 centimeter and breadth is given here 4 centimeter. Okay. And you have to find the area. Now length and breadth is given. That means you have to use here the formula of rectangle. Right here, area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. Okay. What is length here? 8 centimeter. What is breadth here? 4 centimeter. Multiply both the number together. 8 4s are 32 centimeter, that is centimeter square. Okay. These are the way to find the area of the rectangle. One another question I am taking here. A carom board has a side of 75 centimeter. A carom board has side 75. That side is given here. Side is given here to 75 centimeter. Students, see here, carom board. That is the side given 75 centimeter, and I told you squares all sides are equal. That means you have to use here area of square. Area of square, that is, what is the formula of area of square? Side into side. One side is given here, and you know all sides are equal. This one, if it will be the 75 centimeter, that means this one also 75 centimeter, this one also 75 centimeter, and this one also 75 centimeter, means all sides are equal. So side into side, so what we have to write? 75 centimeter into 75 centimeter. Centimeter, that is centimeter square, and after that you multiply 7 in the side. 75 5 5s are 25. Right here 5 and 2 is the carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37. One cross you put here. Then you take the second number. 7 5s are 35. What you have to write here? 5 and 3 is carry. Then 7 7s are 49 and 3 is carry here. Add with 49. 50, 51, 52. That means here you have to add number together. Then it will be 5 6 5. That means it will be the 5 6 2 5. That is your answer. 5 6 2 5 centimeter square. Students, one thing here, 5 6 2 5 centimeter square. You can also write this one square centimeter. Okay. In word you can write this square centimeter or centimeter square. So students, here in area for finding finding the area, only two formula we will use. Area of the square, that is side into side or side square. Area of the rectangle, that is the length into width. Okay, we use by using these two formula we will find the areas. Next class I will teach you data handling and patterns and riddles.